I don't know. Tell me guys, if there's a way how to fix a corrupted SD card or a corrupted file, let me know. Corrupted file. Oh my god, see? I have some bad news and good news. The bad news is my GoPro Hero 5 files are corrupted. I have a good video that was taken in Kayangan Lake and also in Twin Lagoon. I'm a little bit sad. These are my files for my GoPro 5. Oh my god. So that is a sad news. The good news is I got a new GoPro. Almost there. 2016, so it's good until December 2019. So I got it. Oh my god. I can replace it. Like if I buy a gadget, I always get the insurance. So I have 3-year insurance on my GoPro 5. So I went to Best Buy. Best Buy doesn't sell Hero 5 anymore. That they gave me Hero 7 instead. Hero 7. This is what I got. So if you buy some gadgets, buy cameras, whatever, laptops, always buy insurance. That way if it get broken, you can replace it. Like mine, my insurance still active until December 2019. So I got really lucky. Hi everybody, hello. I want to tell you why I like GoPro 7. Here it is. Monetization, and I do have a lot of cherries video that I think that it's not good to monetize that one. So I have like over 150 videos of cherries that has 1 million views, that has 500,000 views. I deleted. I want to show you on here, right here. Except some of the clips that are not concert or singing. So I think if I use this video to monetize, although I took the clips myself, I went to see her videos. I went to Hawaii, to Las Vegas, I went to California. If they review my channel and I did not follow the community guidelines, that's my worry, that they might not approve me, or they might delete my YouTube. bear with me, and I'm actually halfway to the 4,000 watch hours. Repost my videos that I took before, just because no one really watched it. I only posted before for myself. I didn't share it. I keep it for me. I had been traveling since 2014, and I wasn't a blogger around that time. I'm just starting to get serious November 2018. So thank you for subscribing on my channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget, help me out, subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to like and comment and hit that notification bell.
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie, si Elvis Elvis Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na!